Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, I'm really glad you're joining us today. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to write a strong cover letter in minutes using Canva Docs and its AI tool, Magic Write. All right, let's dive right in. From your Canva dashboard, go ahead and click on Docs to start a new document. Once it opens, look at the top menu bar and click on Magic Write. That's where the magic happens, literally. Now a prompt box will pop up, and this is where you'll want to enter a well-crafted prompt that reflects the job you're applying for and the company you're targeting. Take your time to be specific. The more details, the better your results. Once your prompt is ready, hit Generate. And just like that, Magic Write will create a professionally structured cover letter for you in seconds. It's that simple. Now, of course, you'll want to review it and make a few personal tweaks. Add your own voice, make sure it matches the job post, and tailor it to the company's tone and values. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a solid cover letter that can help boost your chances of landing an interview. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, drop a comment below and tell me what other Canva tools or tips you'd love to learn next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.